Hey, how's it going? This is JoJo ZOLINA. We're doing how to whack basic arm placement. So whacking came from disco era back in the 70s. Soul Train and Tyrone Protocol and most of the dancers from Soul Train dance were doing this movement. So this exercise will benefit you to understand how to hit the music into arm placement. So what we're gonna do is work on our core and our breathing exercises. So let's start.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two.
Alright, right here, we are just placing our arms to the side, on top, and to that going down. So get used to that. Use your core, your breathing exercise. You make sure you use your core first by throwing your arms. Flexing your arms right here, keeping your hands really relaxed. Just arms and core flexing. Alright, shake your arms. So you can do this as fast as you want or slow as you want. When you get tired, just shake it all off. So now we're gonna try to do arm rolls. We're gonna place our palms together and roll it up and then roll it down. Take your time. Keep your posture up. Engage your core. Make sure you're like grounded to the ground and you're breathing to your mouth. And breathe. 4 counts up and 4 counts going down. Now when you get used to the both arms going up and down, now you could alternate them really slow. It's gonna take a little bit longer here. So take your time as much as you can and make sure you're placing it and making sure you make a huge coil around your head and make sure you your arms goes up all the way up and touch your back, upper back. And you can do this as fast as you want or as slow as you want. But make sure all the foundations are there. Core engaged, breathing into your nose and breathing out to your mouth. Making sure you hit your poses and relax your hands as much as you can and you have a good posture right there.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real. And I want you to.
Okay, now we're gonna work on our hands, flicking them and doing it really slow and graceful. Palms facing your face and facing your body, going down and then facing outwards. So those are 4 different placement. You can do this as fast as you want or as slow as you want. Make sure you breathe in, breathe out, because if you get tired, make sure you're like breathing in and then shake it off and go back into it. This is gonna be an awesome workout for your arms.
Don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. 'Cause you make me feel we're in this for real, and I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fly with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. And all I need is reassurance. All for you. Long time. All for you. I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fly with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. Standing up for you. Standing up for you. Standing up. Standing up for you.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my first video. I'm gonna make some more videos to progress for whacking progression. We're gonna work on our arm rolls, and then we're gonna add a bit of footwork into it, and then a little bit more difficult and challenging, going to do some arm pathways into it. So if you wanna like hit me up, if you have any question, hit me up on the description down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out.